Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. I wanted to tell you about these absolute darling earrings. It's these pineapple earrings from Holylove. These are so cute. They totally give me beach day vibes. I do love that they have this crystal and glass stones in them, and of course it's in the shape of a pineapple. It's not too heavy, which is super great. I don't feel like my ears are hurting from wearing them. And also for those with sensitive ears, it is lead and nickel free and hypoallergenic. You can definitely dress up a casual outfit with these. Again, they give me those beach day vibes, or they are good for just a night out on the town, and that's my point of view.